FDA bans red dye number 3 in food, drinks, and drugs after decades of health concerns. January 15, 2025. In a significant move for public health, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has officially banned the use of red dye number 3, also known as erythrocene, in foods, beverages, and ingested drugs. This decision comes more than 30 years after scientific studies linked the synthetic additive to cancer in animals. What is red dye number 3? Red dye number 3, a petroleum-based synthetic colorant, has been used for decades to provide a bright cherry red hue to candies, drinks, and other food products. Despite earlier bans on its use in cosmetics and topical drugs in 1990, the additive remained legal in consumable products due to a lack of conclusive evidence of harm in humans. The path to the ban. The FDA's action follows a November 2022 petition spearheaded by advocacy groups like the Center for Science in the Public Interest and the Environmental Working Group. These groups pointed to research indicating that high doses of the dye caused cancer in rats. Although the FDA maintains that human exposure levels are significantly lower than the levels tested in animals, the decision aligns with the Delaney Clause of the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. This clause prohibits the use of any additive found to cause cancer in animals or humans. Compliance timeline. Manufacturers have until January 15, 2027, to remove red dye number 3 from food products and until January 18, 2028, for ingested drugs. Imported products must also adhere to these regulations. Industry and public health reactions. Public health experts and consumer advocates have welcomed the decision as long overdue. Dr. Gerald Monde of the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health described the move as a step in the right direction. Ken Cook, president of the Environmental Working Group, called it a monumental victory for consumer safety. Many major brands had already begun phasing out red dye number 3. Ferrara, the maker of Brock's candies, reported that fewer than 10% of its products currently use the dye, while Just Born, the company behind Peeps, eliminated the additive after Easter 2024. Alternatives and future consideration. Some companies have transitioned to red dye number 40, a widely used alternative. However, this dye is not without controversy. California banned red dye number 40 in public schools in 2023, citing potential behavioral and health risks in children. While the FDA notes that there is no definitive evidence linking red dye number 3 to cancer in humans, the decision underscores the agency's obligation to prioritize safety and uphold regulatory standards for consumers. The ban signals a broader push toward transparency and accountability in food safety, and a move away from artificial additives with questionable health impacts.